يا رب بالمصطفى بلغ مقاصدنا واغفر لنا ما مضى يا واسع الكرم.
Even if you look at the title of his book, Sahih Hadith, Al-Jami' al-Musnad.
The next point I want to bring Imran's attention to. Imran said and mentioned the name, the actual name of Bukhari Sharif. Did anyone pick up the mistake he made? He said that I made a mistake in my speech where I mentioned Al-Musannif. I did. I was told straight after. But in the very same speech, I said Musannaf as well. So I rectified myself. You, my brother, made the same mistake. Nobody rectified you. Nobody's told you how to say Sayyid Bukhari's actual name. He said Sahih Hadith Al-Jami' Al-Musnad. They talk about Bukhari so much that they don't even know how to say the actual name of Imam Bukhari's book properly. How do you say? Al-Jami' Al-Sahih Al-Musnad min Hadith Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam wa sunanihi wa ayyamihi. That's how you say the names of books, my brother. That's how you say the names. You said Bukhari, my brother. Who are you taking knowledge from? An individual who can't say the names of Bukhari Sharif properly. Yet this is the most authentic book after the Quran. Authentic book. Yet he doesn't know how to pronounce the name. He said Sahih Hadith Al-Jami' Al-Musnad. No. Al-Jami' Al-Sahih Al-Musnad min Hadith Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam wa sunanihi wa ayyamihi. That's how you say the name, my brother.
هو الحبيب الذي ترجى شفاعته لكل هول من الأهوال مقتحم.